Guys, welcome back to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Today is the day. It's long overdue. Kind of put on the back burner for a few weeks, but let's get this 6-inch Superlift stuck on this old 78 Ford Bronco, huh?
Excited about this?
I wish I was excited tonight. I'm just tired. We had to wait till evening time to get started on this. I'm just going to get a pillow and just take a nap.
Oh, I didn't know you got little Ford Racing.
You like those?
Yeah, we can't see shit on the camera, but it's because it's dark in here.
I know. I got to get the damn drop light out.
Yeah. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. Got the tires off. Got it sitting up on jack stands. Yeah, there we go. We got a flashlight out here. Up on jack stands, we're going to get this front end dropped and
sprayed. Note to anybody that's starting a lift kit projects, especially if you're in a salt belt area, you want to blast everything a couple days prior. I blasted everything about 4 or 5 hours ago, but this doesn't look too rusty.
Yeah, it does not look horrible at all.
Those are not stock. I'm looking at these springs now. Those aren't stock springs. Somebody had got in here and replaced those. They normally don't come from the factory blue like that.
Right.
So somebody has replaced coils in this before. Those two bolts are the hardest bolts to get out. I forgot to spray those two. But you really can't get PB Blaster in there anyway. But
yeah, we'll get 'em.
In the 90s, there's only one down there. There's one big
nut. Or is it a nut or a bolt?
I can't remember.
I don't remember what it is.
But there's two on these ones. On this lift kit, it comes with new footballs, so this is going to be a first, getting the footballs apart.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
This gets replaced. Panhard bar, what the fuck you call it.
Yep.
And, yeah. This should be fun.
All right.
I don't
think I can get the gun in there.
You don't think you get the...
No, because of where I put the jack stands.
You dumb. You want me to jack it back up?
Nope.
You want to ratchet?
Yeah.
Holy shit, Batman.
I know.
I sprayed them. I think I sprayed them.
Enough leverage. I got that 3/4 cheater pipe with it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so far, progress report is, Kyle and I got that bracket right here. I know you can't see very good. Let me grab some light. That bracket's off. Radius arm drop bracket is off on this side. So we just got to do the other side, lower the axle down, and we can pop these coils out. Well, one radius arm stock drop bracket. Somebody wants that. Sell it to you real up there too. Alright, now we're going to move on to springs
and steering. Or
right.
Springs and panhard bar.
Fuck, we're getting close.
I know. Actually, we need to do the panhard first.
Okay.
We need to get that off and then drop the springs so we can put that back on and then put the springs in the buckets. Right?
Oh. Alright guys, got one coil off. Somebody had definitely taken these coils off before. I think these are not, I don't know, but there we go. I think what I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to take my time on this and not rush. I'm going to take the wire brush, clean all this up, and paint these. Paint all this, make it look pretty. It looks fucking nasty. But, yep, just got to get those panhard bar, the other coil off. I'm going to leave the jack underneath the axle. And the other side's going to fall down on that little cart that I've got, that little Harbor Freight special thing that I've got over there. That little, I'll show you. It'll sit down on that little guy right here. Little roller dealio. And yeah, we're going to take our time. We're not going to rush tonight, even though I want to put the coils in. We'll get some paint, clean these buckets up, clean that up, clean it, just make it look pretty. From that over this direction, get all this oil off the frame. Alright guys, Kyle's splitting the footballs right now on this side. Got his coil out on his side. Basically, it's just going to be a disassembly night. Get as far as we can to disassemble. And I'm gonna take, before we put stuff back together tomorrow, I want to take some wire wheels to the frame and clean up the buckets, and like I was talking about, maybe clean it up a bit, or just send it. I don't fucking know. Fuck.
I really hope we're not the only one that uses whatever tool we have in our hands as a fucking hammer.
This football don't want to come off. Of course it doesn't. I'm gonna have to get the hammer out. Really? Come on. Son of a bitch. Nothing. Motherfucker. Holy shit, guys. There you go. Alright, the only thing left.
Okay, I got mine.
The only thing left is the panhard bar. I think that's going to be tomorrow.
Actually, don't look in bad shape. I think these have been done since this thing was out of the factory. I mean, you know, yeah, it's rubber rot, but still, they're still in pretty good shape. They're not fucking, I mean, we're replacing them, but they don't look horrible.
Right. I think the new ones changed the angle. I don't know. But that's it for tonight. We'll catch you tomorrow. And we're back for night 2. Kyle's going to put a cleaning touch on all these old parts, get all the rust off them, put some new paint on them.
Hopefully.
And
that's the goal anyways.
I need to put this on the charger because the cold drained it. Awesome. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and start going back together with this tomorrow. We're just going to, tonight we're prepping everything, painting everything. So that way it's a lot prettier and keep the rust off this old antique Bronco. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and do not forget to subscribe. And yeah guys, we'll catch you next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans. I'm thinking I'm going to send this one down the road and get to work back on the Bronco. Till next time, guys. Thanks.